Hello guys and welcome to volokinproject. It's Tony here, your favorite YouTuber. Today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and first impressions and actually an explanation why you should buy the Poco X3 Pro right now. Why is that so? Well, because of the crazy pricing at the moment, guys. Xiaomi just moved to #2 manufacturer and within a few months, maybe the next quarter, is going to be #1 in the world for shipping and sales of mobile phones. Why? Because they offer real bargains, guys. How do you know when a real bargain occurs? Well, you're gonna have to follow me on my coffee page where I post deals like that. Check this out. 189 pounds for the 8 gig version with 256 gigs of storage, guys. That's absolutely crazy. If you click on the link in the description down below, I've got an affiliate link which gives you 15 pounds off the price of the first purchase, which brings the price down to 174. And for 174, the value for money over here is absolutely unbelievable, guys. Now, I had the original Poco phone a few years ago and I kind of like it. It was okay. It was following the Flagship Killer, formula of the OnePlus 1 from back in the day. Flagship SoC for half the price. Over here, this is not half the price. This is 1/4 of the price, guys. Check this out. I'm going to list the specifications over here. Poco X3 Pro, we're dealing with 6.67 inch 1080p LCD screen at 120 Hz with a punch hole. Snapdragon 860 flagship SoC, 256 gigabytes of internal storage with 8 gigabytes of RAM. The camera is 48 megapixel main unit, 8 megapixel wide, which I don't expect miracles from just an 8 megapixel wide angle, 2 megapixel macro, it depends if you can shoot videos or not with it pretty much, and 2 megapixel depth, absolutely useless camera. The battery inside is huge, guys, 5160 milliamp hours, and all of that 174 pounds. Even when I'm saying it, 174 pounds, I can't really believe, guys, but it is actually true, guys. So I don't expect the best build quality over here. I'm gonna be fair with you from the beginning, but for that price you're getting a future proof device, guys. Check this out. Welcome to the Poco family. It's like it's your first Poco phone, and it might as well be. Essentially, it's my second Poco phone. I'm not interested in their other models, to be honest with you. I think the M3 or something like that is extremely cheap, but never go for the cheapest of anything pretty much. You've got some Poco trolling stickers over here, which is kind of cute. You've got a silicone case, which is nice, guys. Those silicone cases, if you're looking to shop for a cheap silicone case, check on SunSky Dash Online or something like that. They're like 50-60p over there, guys, but one is in the box nevertheless. I'm just gonna check this things aside over here. I'm gonna leave the case, and this is the phone itself, guys. I had a few Xiaomi devices over my time on YouTube, with some of them good, some of them not that good, especially the cheap ones were not that good, but yeah, this one I think is going to be good, guys. A fat charging brick over here, guys. Let me quickly check what is the power of this charger. I'm just gonna have a look at like that. I don't wear my glasses at the moment, so output, let me see, 27 watts. Okay, 27 watts, guys. Pretty good, pretty good. Now when the manufacturer says 18-watt fast charging, man, that's slow charging. Okay, 27, it's okay charging. It's nowhere near OnePlus standard nowadays, 65 watt, but nevertheless, guys, let's check this stuff aside over here and check this out. I opted in for the, I have no idea what color that is, to be honest with you. I think it's the black one. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to double check. I will be removing this sticker because I don't need it. Don't do illegal stuff with my IME number plates. I really enjoy how people get mad, and I really hate when they put a sticker like that and I have to wipe it off after that. But I'm really amused how people defend and hide their IME numbers. It's like you're going to do something with them. But anyways, those days are gone, guys, especially with those cheap phones. But check this out. This is cool. Poco This is plastic. This is definitely plastic, but it's kind of a nice plastic, to be honest. Let's say midnight color or something like that. The camera array is quite cute as well, guys. And this is a chunky phone, don't get me wrong. This one is, let me check, plastic. You just touch it with your lips and it is plastic because it's not cold, guys. This is how I know. 3.5mm jack, which is nice. You know, microphone, speakers, I hope that they're stereo, but they might be not. And a punch hole in the middle of the screen, guys. That's gonna be my first phone with a punch hole in the middle of the screen. And the speaker is nicely hidden over here in the frame. I really like that. You've got some extra microphones, and I can imagine this is a you know, infrared port over here for remote controlling your TV and stuff like that. But man, I really like what I see, to be honest with you. The fingerprint reader is not at the back, which means that it has most probably a under the glass fingerprint reader. So specifications wise, this phone absolutely blows me away, guys. Even if the camera is not holiday certified, for gaming this phone is going to be a beast. I can't wait it to play some Call of Duty with it, because you know I'm a professional over there. And and yeah, I mean, nowadays, guys, it's amazing how much of a phone you're getting under 200 pounds, guys. This is absolutely crazy over here. Let's see, what do we have? United Kingdom, Gboard. Oh my god, how many stuff. I have read everything, that's for sure. Skip this step. Okay, skip this one. Use location. Now allow scanning and send usage data. Those two you want to switch off. Use location. Okay, set it up like that. Fingerprint, let me see how does that work. Pin, I've never used this, you know, password again. Oh no, the fingerprint over here is on the side of the button. I like that. I actually like that, to be honest with you. I prefer that over the regular fingerprint readers under the screen, because they're good only on the most expensive devices. On the mid-range and low-range devices and on the Xperia devices, they're not very good. Actually, move your finger slightly. Okay, I'm moving it slightly. Okay, set it up already. All right, that's it. Fingerprints is dirty. Okay, fair enough. Locations and diagnostics, no. Personalized ads, no. Turn off. User experience, no. Location, okay, that's fair. Setup complete. Let me see, what are we dealing with over here, guys? By the way, it's scorching hot here in the UK, 28 degrees. I'm literally dying as I do that video. But yeah, let me stop the case in the meantime while we wait to see what we're dealing with over here, guys. Does that obstruct the beautiful plastic that they used at the back? It kind of tones it down a little bit, but nevertheless, you know what you have. Poco, which is, I think, small in Spanish or something like that. Xiaomi camera, hell no. Okay, fair enough. Right, so you've got the buttons over here, guys. I guess gestures are enabled. And yes, check this out. Surprisingly, this phone looks like a Pixel experience, guys. At least that's how they did the launcher over here. Check this out. But it's buttery smooth, guys. Check this out. Oh my god, it is buttery smooth, I'm telling you that. Let's check the fingerprint reader. Okay, you don't have to touch it, you just tap it like that. Oh my god, check this out, how quick that is, guys. Boom. Oh yes. So Poco X3 Pro, I'm loving it so far. Absolutely, I like what I see. It's not very heavy because they use plastic all over the place pretty much. So this is a budget flagship, guys. This is the 2020, wait, which year is that? 2021 flagship killer to me, guys. So I bought my father a few years ago Redmi Note 3. Yes, he's still using this phone with Snapdragon 660, guys. So as long as you have enough RAM and as long as you have a nice SoC in the phone, it is absolutely future proof. The camera is never going to be brilliant, but that's what you get. So subscribe and wait for my full review. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Adios.